In Shopify, you don't typically need an API key in the traditional sense. Instead, you generate API credentials for your private Shopify app. Here's how to get API credentials. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section from the sidebar. Click on the Manage Private Apps link located at the bottom of the page. On the Private Apps page, click on the Create a New Private App button. Fill out the required fields in the form, including the app name and contact email. Under the Admin API section, you will find your API credentials. API key. This is generated automatically when you create the app. API secret key. This is generated automatically and is only shown once when you create the app. Make sure to copy it and store it securely. API access token. Click on the Generate Token button to generate an access token. This token is required for authenticating requests to the Shopify API. Copy and securely store your API key, API secret key, and API access token. These credentials are used to authenticate your app when making requests to the Shopify API.